Hello everyone, I am Venkat Sai Ganesh. I am here to give a book review about the book I read in last week is Life Story of Swami Vivekananda. It was an autobiography written by Swami Vivekananda in 1900. In this book, the Swamiji explained about the struggles he faced in his life from starting from his childhood to the point where he went to the America and give a speech in Chicago Assembly. The all struggles he faced and everything was explained in this book. This was an amazing book, uh, and there are so many philosophies, life-changing philosophies in it. Uh, the book we all know one of it, like one of the Swamiji's philosophies, which is rise, awake, and stop not until you reach your goal. This is most famous one, and there are also so many like you cannot be spiritual. There is no other teacher than your own soul. Like there are so many philosophies which changed my life. In this book, Swamiji also explained about the struggles he faced when uh, he was in Chicago, where everyone was discriminating him because he was wearing a different clothing like red color. We all know the types of clothes he wear, where everyone used to see before he has given a speech. Everyone seen him like who is this beggar, like that they are seeing him. After after the speech, means at the time he went on stage, the front three rows was empty and the people were sitting at the back. Everyone was sitting at the back, and the time when he gave the speech, everyone started coming front. Like slowly, they are coming front. And after the speech, everyone was in the first row, and their back places were empty. Like that it's a drastic change over from front last place to first place. The after that next day, Swamiji's photo was given in the first page of newspaper. This was an experience he was shared in this book. One of the best experience he was given on that day, and also some that how he met Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, his guru, in his childhood. Like when Swamiji was searching, when he was childhood, he was very naughty and he was searching and asking everyone that have you seen God or have you met God? Everyone used to say different answers, but none are relevant and exact. But when he met Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, his guru, he asked the same question. Then he replied that I have seen God as I see you here. Then Swamiji was like excited and become his pupil and started learning from him. And there are so much stories which are written in there. One of the story I want to share with you is when Swamiji was in Kashi, he was roaming around the temple. He's there near the temple. He saw a bunch of monkeys. Then when he was frightened seeing that monkeys and started running, the monkeys also started following him. Then after he ran. Then he got tired of running and he catched a stick and beat that monkeys. After that, the monkey started running and Swamiji was backside. In this story, Swamiji referred the monkeys as the struggles in our life. We all have struggles, but we started running. We will run away from the struggles, then we will get more struggles around us. We will not be free of any struggles. We'll add more weight to ourselves. That's why we should fight back. We should not give up. These things he was given in the story, and there are so much stories it was given, and there are so many philosophies. There are so many words. One I would share for you is uh, uh, one is there is no other teacher other than your own soul. You can only learn from experience other than nothing. And he also said he also differentiate between one and many things. So many he has done in this book. Swamiji also said so many things. One is that he always used to say, never regret the things which you have done. Always love the things which you have done. Never regret anything. Like that, so there are so many things which he has said, and so many stories, so many philosophies. I request everyone to read this book. It is an amazing book which changed my life. Uh, and thank you very much.